I did a 6 braided beautiful loaf of bread that would make any holiday table beautiful. And so I thought, by popular demand, somebody said, please make a video. So I thought I would show you how to do this lovely loaf. I started with my basic bread dough, which is about 2.5 pounds of dough, divided it into 6 pieces and rolled it into 6 even ropes. Now we're going to start. Just mash them all together at the top. And you want to really mash them there good so they'll stay together. And then we're going to take these 2 outer ropes and bring them across. And there's several methods for doing this, but this is the one I happen to like the best. Then you take these, so now you've got what looks like a T. You take these 4 and separate them. And then you bring this rope down to the middle. Now you always need to replace this T. So you take this one and take it over. Okay, now separate your 4 hanging down and bring this one in. Now you need to replace that T, so take this one and take it over. Okay, separate these 4 hanging down, bring this opposite one down. Now you got to replace that one, so bring that one over and separate these 4. Okay, bring this opposite one down. Now you got to replace that, so take it over. Separate these 4. Bring this one down. Replace this T. And it gets less and less distinctive the shorter your ropes get, but you can still figure it out. Just alternating sides, always replacing the one you just used, separating the 4. I call it parting the bread sea. And then take that one down, replace this one, put these 2 and 2 together. Bring this one. If you get confused, just figure out which one you need to replace. Part, bring this one in, replace that one. And it's going to start getting kind of hard to get them to go together, so you just then kind of, when it gets too short to work with, you just tuck it all under there. And then go back and tuck that one under and just squeeze it off. And there you have a beautiful braided loaf. And now you let it rise, best at room temperature on these so they don't get too delicate. I like to spritz with a little water, and I'll sprinkle it with some seeds, and it'll just make a beautiful centerpiece for your table.